Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. That's worse than a nightmare for me.
A few moments later.
I guess he thinks he knows where he's going, but this is just plain idiocy. This semi just changed lanes right into me and kept going, like nothing happened.
1. Can you walk me through your experience as a support engineer at Amazon and how it has prepared you for this network administrator role? 2. How do you handle high-pressure situations when dealing with network issues or outages? 3. Describe a time when you had to troubleshoot a complex network problem. What steps did you take to resolve it? 4. How do you stay updated with the latest advancements in network technology and security?
This driver just had to beat the train, didn't they?
Hold on, bro. Yo, bro, what the f you doing, bro? Like, yo. Fuck it. I'm right with you. I'm in a rush too. Go ahead. Yo, go ahead, bro. Like, we in a rush right now, bro. Tip y'all on. Yo, y'all going too slow. Like, I'm getting away from y'all. Y'all tripping.
Too many idiots clogging up the road here. Are all Houston drivers like this, or is he living in a different world? This careless driver doesn't know how to behave properly on the road. This reckless driver cuts across 3 lanes of Chicago expressway traffic just to avoid missing their exit.
Just be showing y'all how to drive. Like, you feel me? All I do is show y'all how to drive and, you feel me, get through crazy jams, like when everybody acting dumb. Like they can't figure situations out. You feel me? Y'all gonna all sit in all this traffic when you can't figure a situation right out?
Go past this light, Then at the next one, use the left lane to turn onto Grace Ferry Avenue.
I just bit. You feel me? They stay back there in all that traffic. Come on, man.
No time for red lights or other cars, right? This idiot runs a stop sign and doesn't see the undercover cop.
Twenty minutes later.
This idiot nearly sideswiped me and narrowly avoided at least 2 other cars.
A few moments later.
Your traffic rules don't apply to me. Anyone know which country this happened in? Caused an accident just because they took the wrong exit. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.